Dealing with an FBL file and have no idea what's supposed to open it? This is navigation map data used by iGO GPS software on devices around the world. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll explain how to work with these navigation map files. Consider this the ace up my sleeve. There is a powerful technical workaround that I reserve for the toughest FBL cases. We'll cover the easier fixes first. FBL files are navigation map data files used by the iGO navigation software platform found in many GPS devices and car navigation systems. They contain building footprint data and 3D landmark models that enhance the visual map display with realistic building shapes for improved orientation during turn-by-turn navigation. iGO FBL map files use a proprietary binary format, storing vectorized building polygons with height attributes and 3D landmark mesh data georeferenced to map coordinates. They are optimized for efficient rendering on embedded GPS hardware with limited processing power and memory resources. This FBL file is designed specifically for the developer tool iGO Navigation by NNG LLC. To maintain file health, avoid direct interaction using Windows Explorer alone. Windows cannot show spatial geometry such as points, lines, or polygons. Your first step toward a working file, right-click the FBL file and select Open With. If iGO Navigation is on your system, try that first. If not, try another option immediately. Testing is key. If the FBL file won't open, don't panic. Only the most difficult files make it this far. We must now test these known failure areas to get a definitive answer on the problem's origin. First, installing on GPS devices. Copy the FBL file to the appropriate content folder on your GPS device or SD card, typically in the iGO content building directory. Restart the navigation software, and the building data will render on the map display when zooming into areas covered by the FBL file data. Next, verifying map compatibility. Ensure the FBL file version matches your iGO navigation software version. Mismatched content files may cause display errors or software crashes. Check the iGO version number in the About menu and obtain FBL files specifically compiled for that software release from your GPS manufacturer or map provider. Finally, troubleshooting display issues. If buildings do not appear on the map after installing the FBL file, verify the file is in the correct directory path and that 3D building display is enabled in iGO's map display settings. Clear the navigation software cache by deleting temporary files in the iGO save folder and restart the application. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. A helpful next step is to try a utility that attempts to bypass standard file associations by using raw-level data inspection to better identify the file's likely origin. Because the specialized software couldn't access your file, you need a dedicated universal solution. FileMagick is the one I always recommend. Visit filemagick.com for details. Give the video a thumbs up if it helped, and subscribe for ongoing technical solutions.